Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about quadratic equations. What is a quadratic equation? We all know about quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is known as a quadratic polynomial. So we say if Px is a quadratic polynomial, then Px is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. For example, let Px is equal to x square minus 3x plus 5 be a quadratic polynomial. Then Px is equal to 0, it means x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Then what is general form of a quadratic equation? General form. Actually, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is said to be the general equation or general form of a quadratic equation. A, B, C are known as coefficients. That is, a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term, where a, b, c are some real numbers such that a is not equal to 0. Why? Because if a is equal to 0, this will be a linear equation. This will not be a quadratic equation. That's why a cannot be equal to 0. So these are known as the coefficients. Now how to find out the coefficients? Suppose you are given a quadratic equation, that is 3x square minus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. Then what are a, b, c? A is the coefficient of x square, that is 3 here. B is the coefficient of x, that is minus 5 here. And c is the constant term, that is 7. Like this we can find out the values of a, b, c from the equation. But we have to remember one thing, that for writing any of the quadratic equation, we should write it in the descending order of the degree of x. That is, first x square, then x, and then the constant term. Now if ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, then we know a, b, c are known as the coefficients. Now if we find a is equal to 0, then the equation will become bx plus c equal to 0, which is a linear equation. So it has nothing to do with the quadratic equation then. And that's the reason I have already told you that a cannot be equal to 0 for a quadratic equation. If we have b is equal to 0, then the equation will become like ax square plus c equal to 0. So in case we have the term with x square and a constant only, we will consider that b is equal to 0 there. And if we have c is equal to 0, then the equation will become ax square plus bx equal to 0. So here we see that there is no constant term, it means c is equal to 0. And if we have b is equal to 0 and c is also equal to 0, then the equation will become ax square equal to 0, there will be only one term. So this is the way we can find out the different forms of the. So this is the way we can find out the different forms of the quadratic equation. Now what about the roots? Roots of a quadratic equation. Actually, the values of x which satisfies the given equation are known as its roots. The values of x satisfying the equation are the roots of a quadratic equation. And there are two roots of a quadratic equation. The roots may be equal, may not be equal, but they will be two quadratic roots of every quadratic equation. Now, how to find whether a given equation is quadratic or not? What we do, we will simplify the equation and try to see whether it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 or not. So simplify the given equation and see if it is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 or not. For example, suppose we have been given x into 2x plus 3 is equal to x square minus 5x plus 4. What we do, we'll simplify this. This is 2x square plus 3x and transpose these terms also onto the left. This will be minus x square plus 5x minus 4 equal to 0. What we are finding here? This is x square plus 8x minus 4 equal to 0. Yes, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, we can say it is a quadratic equation. Now suppose we have been given here x plus 3 whole square minus 5 is equal to x into x plus 4, and we have to see whether it is a quadratic equation or not. So we'll simplify. We know the square of a plus b. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We apply this identity here, so this will be x square plus 6x plus 9 minus 5 equal to x square plus 4x. And we find here on transposing, this becomes x square plus 6x plus 4 minus x square minus 4x equal to 0. We find here x square and x square get cancelled, and we are left with 6x minus 4x, that is 2x plus 4 equal to 0, which is a linear equation. This is not a quadratic equation, so we can write it is a linear equation. And hence we can say, therefore, the given equation is not quadratic. This is the way we can find out whether a given equation is quadratic or not. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.